So I've left Mexico, which means I don't have access to my nice, clean, affordable beauty technicians anymore, which means I've got to learn how to do my own lashes. So I bought one of these lash kits off of Amazon, and you can see that I've done it once before, but I'm here for help because, yeah, I don't know, I'm not used to doing these things myself. So I need the beauty girlies to tap in and help me out with these kits. So what I don't like about them, I actually do like them, they're nice and easy to apply once you get used to it. Like my first time, I was sitting there for like a good 30 minutes trying to figure it out. But I'm gonna apply a couple of them and then show you what I don't like so that you can help me with it. I guess is to put on the bond side of the thingy, and I'm gonna do that over here. So I put that on, right? Maybe I should have watched a few tutorials before I just tried to do this myself. But when you put on this bond thing, are you supposed to let it set a little bit, get tacky or whatever they say first? Or do you just go right into applying the lashes? That's just question number one. So I'm gonna put it on. And then the bottom part always get itch up into it. Anyways, I'm gonna put it on, and then I'm gonna start on the inner corner. So I'm gonna get the short lashes, which I'm just gonna do size 9. I think I took off this rough saw. So this little short piece here in the inner corner. Boom. That's not so hard. Don't want to juke out my eye. Oh Lord. I don't know if that's on. Hold on. It's always hard to do this back way. And then it's sticking to the rest of it. So I'm just like, am I supposed to? Anyways. And then, so like, all the lashes are sticking together. I don't like that. So when you put on the bond thing, all the lashes are now stuck together as one big lash. Anyways, let's get another one. I'm gonna do another. Let me do an 11. Let's go up. Get nice and dramatic. This one, I don't think it went on close enough to the lash line. We're gonna keep moving. I'm gonna do a 12. So we just did 9, 11. I'm already on to 12. Okay, that one was nice. That one went on nice and easy. Where are we? In the middle yet? Yeah. So I'm gonna do a 14. No, a 13. Don't want just jump numbers. A 13, because I'm not trying to do anything too heavy or too. Oh, child, this angle is bad. Yeah. But like, I'm not overlapping, or I don't want anything too much now. I'm not trying to do any awning settings or parachutes or none of that. I'm gonna do another, what was that, 13 or 14? I'm gonna do a 14 and just finish out with 14, like all 14s. Because as I said, I'm not trying to go too dramatic. Yeah, I like that. You see? Yeah, I like that. So let's just finish out with 14s. It's getting stunning, baby. Give me 14 of them. Should I do a 15 right on the end here? No, I'm gonna just stick with my 14s. Okay, that's really pretty. I like that. Okay. You see, that's cute, right? I really like that. It's nice and demure. It's not doing too much. Now, my question for the girlies is the last time I did this, you're supposed to put, this is the bond that I used that to glue it on. You're supposed to now put the seal side over it. The seal kind of turned it into plastic and made it look very hard. I don't like that. So I wasn't able to, after I put on the seal, I really wasn't able to do this and kind of brush through because everything just hard up on me. And I don't like that at all. So how do I get it then to just kind of stay put and not cake up on me is my question. And how long will it last if I don't seal it? Because today's Friday and them say it's supposed to last 2 to 3 days. I kind of want it last today and tomorrow. I don't think I have plans Sunday. But it would be nice if they lasted through tonight, Friday night, and tomorrow because I have a couple of things to do tomorrow. What y'all think? Do I need to put on the seal or not? But this is really pretty. I like this. It didn't take long. These kits are nice and affordable. I could do this. I could do this. So let's try it with the brush now. Ciao. This is much better though than what I was getting with the seal. So I'm gonna put on the next set and come talk to you now. See, I'm done. Nice and light and demure. As I said, I don't like fluffy, heavy awnings over my item. This is perfect, I believe. What y'all think? So, when I leave them like this, the brush goes through and they feel like eyelashes still and all good. If I put the seal on, the last time I did this, I'm so scared to do this. Because if I put the seal on, that just kind of, maybe I can just get it at the base here. Can I do that and just seal the base? Because, it has the brush, so it gives you the impression that you're supposed to seal the whole thing, but it just make it kind of cake up and plastic up. Y'all let me know. Y'all give me your best tips on putting on these kind of lashes and keeping them for the 2-3 days because I need this to last for the weekend. Anyways, y'all like them? Let me know.